regardless of the acquisition cost of its capital goods, the input tax shall be amortized as follows. Number one, over a period of 60 months, if estimated useful life is 5 years or more. Number two, over the actual months comprising the estimated useful life if estimate is less than 5 years. That is in accordance with the National Internal Revenue Code, Section 110. Okay, Section 110. Now we have here refund or tax credit of excess input VAT. Question. Discuss the prescriptive period for filing of refund or tax credit for unutilized input tax. For zero-rated and effectively zero-rated sales of goods, properties, or services, administrative claim with the Commissioner of Internal Revenue must be filed within a period of 2 years. That is 2 years after the close of the taxable quarter when the zero-rated or effectively zero-rated sales were made. The Commissioner has 120 days from the complete submission of supporting documents within which to decide whether to grant or deny the claim. That is pursuant to Section 112, the Tax Code. A judicial claim must be filed with the Court of Tax Appeals within 30 days from the receipt of the Commissioner of Internal Revenue's decision denying the administrative claim or from the expiration of the 120-day period without any action from the Commissioner of Internal Revenue. Discuss the prescriptive period for filing of refund or tax credit for unutilized input tax. No? This is regarding cessation of business or VAT status. The 2-year period shall commence from the date of cancellation of registration of the taxpayer. This was decided by the Supreme Court in the case of Associated Swedish Steel Philippines Inc. versus Commissioner of Internal Revenue.